about species variation of catfish. Alright, there is 3 types of catfish in Malaysia. The first one is broadhead catfish, that also known as ikan keli bunga. The fish is farmed in the pond for use in human consumption in countries such as Thailand and Philippines. The native population now face extinction due to the man-made activities and genetic integration due to interbreeding with escape and aquaculture hybrids. And as a carnivore fish, it feeds on aquatic insects, young shrimps, small and smaller fishes. It can also eat rice bran, kitchen refuse, fish meal, or formulated feeds. Alright, this is the broadhead catfish. Okay, this one is the second species in Malaysia, which is walking catfish, that also known as ikan keli kayu. It is named for its ability to walk across dry land, which is to find food or suitable environments. Alright, the next one is, while it does not truly walk at most bipeds or quadrupeds do, it has the ability to use its pectoral fins to keep it upright, as it makes a sort of wiggling motion, like motion with snake-like movements. Okay, the walking fish is a tropical species native to Southeast Asia. Okay, this is the catfish, walking catfish. Okay, and the last one is African catfish. The African catfish tooth. The African sharp-toothed catfish is a large eel-like fish, usually of dark green or black coloration on the back, fading to a white belly. Alright, African catfish is a nocturnal fish like many catfish. It feeds on living as well as dead animals matter. Because of its wide mouth, it's able to swallow relatively large prey whole. Okay. It also able to crawl on dry ground to escape drying ponds. Alright, and African catfish sometimes produce loud croaking sound. Something like that. Okay, this is the African catfish.
Okay, now I'm going to present about the importance of catfish. There are 2 importances of catfish. First is economically, and second is individually. So economically, in Asia, catfish are raised in warm climates and are inexpensive and are safe food for local grocers. Thus, they are an important food resource. Walking catfish or clariday and short catfish or pangasiide species are heavily cultured in Africa and Asia. In the United States, commercial catfish production generates over 46% of the value of aquaculture production. And catfish production has grown rapidly to reach annual sales of 660 million pounds in 2003. And the value of the catfish crop in the United States reached $425 million in 2003. So individually, catfish contains healthy fatty acids. One serving of catfish provides 220 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids and 875 milligrams of omega-6, which is vital for our heart's health and cognitive health. And catfish also provides complete protein. The 15.6 grams of protein in a serving of catfish provides sufficient amino acids, which helps our body body build lean muscle mass and improve the effectiveness of our immune function. And catfish also lows in mercury. The Environmental Protection Agency lists catfish as one of the most commonly consumed low mercury fish.
Alright, so finally I'm going to present about the fun facts of the catfish. Okay. So there are a few facts that I have found over there of our research. The first one, most species of catfish have smooth skin without scales. Surprisingly, fish has no scale. Covered with mucus. Some species catfish are able to breathe through their skin. The second one is the entire body of catfish is covered with taste buds that can detect chemicals in the water and also to respond to touch. Greatest concentration of sensory organs is located on the whiskers, the barbels, known as barbels, and also it develops up to four pairs of whiskers. The next one is some species of catfish produce poison in the glands in the skin that covers dorsal fin. So in the case of the injured, catfish will release a toxin that can induce serious or even fatal injuries to human beings or it's the one who threatened them. The next one is specifically on Asian walking catfish. It is a species of catfish that can move on the ground, like as we mentioned before, using its front fins and tail. This fish walks short distances when it needs to pass from one pool to another place. And the last one, most catfish can survive from 8 and up to 20 years in the wild, depending on the species. So, alright, I think that is all from us. Thank you so much.